Let us proceed with the first song.
To stop the shower, my bowl went under the couch. That's what Mom and Dad do in their private times. I can hear you in there looking out the peephole. Seriously, on the first date. Duh, you can still see me. It's the tail giving me away, isn't it? Why would you do that to my water bowl?
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care.